Indian Culinary Forum presents Zero-Waste Kitchen. और इस साल की थीम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम आज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रेसिपी आप लोगों के सामने लेके आ रहे हैं।
I would say that, the idea is to get you to think creatively and also reduce waste in your kitchen, but make it simple. Make your life simple, and it's good for you, it's good for the customer, it's good for the planet.
सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल उसको हम फुलफिल कर पाएं।
Idea is sustainability, use as much as we can, and I am making this dish. I hope you're going to love this.